everyone. Hi everyone. In today's class, I'll explain the concept of volume and how to find the volume of different geometrical shapes. I'll explain. Actually, you should know what is volume. The volume of an object is the amount of space occupied by the object or shape which is in the three-dimensional shape. Which is in three-dimensional shape. Suppose I am giving you one cylindrical bottle. What is its volume? I am asking. What is that? What does it mean? The capacity of the oil it contains. That only gives the volume of that particular cylindrical bottle. Volume is nothing, that is the capacity of the container. Okay, for volume of the right circular cylinder, we have the formula pi r square h. Pi r square is the base area because base area is the shape of the circle. So, area of the circle is pi r square. What is the height of that cylinder is h. So, pi r square into h. It gives the volume of the right circular cylinder. Next, volume of the right circular cone. For that, r is the radius of the base. Here also base is in the form of a circle. So what is the base area? Pi r square. 1 by 3 into pi r square into height of the cone. That is only, so volume of the right circular cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. Next one, volume of the cube. See, the cube is the three-dimensional figure. Am I right? It is a three-dimensional shape. All sides are equal. So, volume of the cube is A into A into A. 3 times A cube cubic units. Next, volume of the cuboid. That is L into B into H. Length of the cuboid is L. Breadth is B. Height is H. So, volume of the cuboid is LBH cubic units. Now, I'll give you one example from the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. This question they asked during the year of 2007 in bank PO examination. The capacity of the cylindrical vessel is given as 25.872 liters. If the height of the cylinder is 3 times the radius, what is the base area of the cylinder? That you have to find out. Okay, 4 options are also given in this problem. Now, already I have explained what is the volume of the right circular cylinder. See, that is pi r square into h. Am I right? So, it's given in the problem 25.872 liters. That is the volume of the capacity of the cylindrical vessel. So, this is in liters. Am I right? We have to find out the base area. See, so you have to multiply this liters by 1000. Then only you will get 25,872 centimeter cube because 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, so this many liters means you have to multiply it by 1000. Now I got the volume of the cylinder in centimeter cubic units. Am I right? Now, one more information is given in this problem. H is equal to 3R. That is, height of the cylinder is 3 times the radius. So, H is equal to 3R. Okay. Now, I am going to use this concept there. So, what is the formula for volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h. So, pi r square into, instead of h, I am using this 3r. Okay. So, pi r square into 3r is equal to 25,872 centimeter cube. Now, I have to find out r cube. Okay. This pi will become its reciprocal. So, 7 over 22 when it comes to this set. This 3 will be 1 by 3. Now, 11 table is going here 2 times, here 2352 times. Now, What is that? 2352 into 7 by 6. Okay, this is 6 is going here. 3 6 are 18. Then 55. 9 6 are 54. So 2 times. After multiplication, I got 2744. That is r cube. So cubic root of 2744 is, see what is cubic root of 2744. That is, if you multiply 14 into 14 into 14. Okay. So r is equal to, r cube is equal to this. So r is equal to 14 centimeter. But I want base area. What is base area? Pi r square. Am I right? So pi is 22 by 7. R is 14 into 14. Here 7 is going here 2 times. After multiplication, I got 616 centimeter square. So which is the correct option? Option B is correct. (616 centimeter square). Now in my next video, I'll do one more problem from the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. Araswamy. Thank you.